Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today J Dolls UK and I are doing our once a month on the 16th collaboration for Dolls Gone Goth. This month is Dark Fairies, and I put this little girl together with Darren's help, and I'm very, very pleased. Her ears were just dry from the super glue from the little elf ears that he makes for these tiny dolls. I love her little earrings. They worked out so well. She has a double pull string. Does it change your eyes? No. Well, yes, the direction of her eyes. If you pull one way, they go off to the left and off to the right. It's just a fun little thing. You can also still use the dial on the back, but that's how that's put together. Darren does that. It's very, very, very fiddly work. Oops, my strings are gonna need to go back. I take these back through the beads so that if they needed to be untied, you could do it easily without a short cord. Darren also made all these shoes, and I just made her own container. They're silver and gray and brown, and you can see. And I always do the orange. All of my dolls have orange shoes. Well, all of my Blythe dolls, for that hat tip towards the Kinner Blythe dolls and those iconic orange shoes. She has two pairs of black, and we're going to put that on with her little dress I made. You know what my sewing machine did? Oh, it pushed this off a little bit, and I didn't get a straight stitch, but this side looks okay. It's just, I don't know why it does that, but it does. We're gonna get that on her, and then we have the little cape, and I made the front part wider so that it would cover her face a little more when she wants to. It ties in the front. And then I have a little buttonhole here so that the ribbons from her wings can come out the back if she wants to wear those over her cape. Darren did these. These are specially made for the middies. I just love it. And while I'm bragging on him, he makes all of my stands. I absolutely love them. With the middies, he does two body hooks, waist hooks, because of clothing and, you know, like if you put a coat on your doll, this really wouldn't fit. I always use the large. It's just easier for me. So let me get her dressed. Now for her to wear her wings with the dress alone, what I did is I wrapped this around her shoulders, and then I put an X or a cross over the back of the wings and tied it in around her waist, like so. And then they're more stable. Now I could just do those at the neck, but then they flap a little bit. I'm so pleased. She went on her stand so easily. I do have trouble getting her hair behind her ears, but I didn't style it either. She needs a little hairstyle, but I am so pleased. I threaded the ribbon through the buttonhole in the back. I just wanted to show you how I laced this up, and then I tied it around her waist for the wings, and now I'm going to show you how she hides. Let's get her eyes lined up, and she wears her little hood over her face to be hidden and camouflaged while out in gardens and woods. And there's our little dark fairy. We will have pictures at the end. Please stay and see. But thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like. Thank you so much, Jay, and everyone that participated. I almost forgot to say, if you have a dark fairy today, a video, please leave that in everyone's comments so that we can all go to one another's. The hashtags just do not work. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.